This afternoon we have Tanya Perez, and Tanya is a commercial account manager. And the question that we were asked by one of our clients is, we want to insure farm machinery. Is it better to schedule it and blanket it?
In that respect, it depends on what type of equipment it is. If it's items such as combines or larger items, those are usually better to be scheduled due to the fact that the combines and equipment such as that can intake an object, and in order to get that coverage you do need to schedule them. Blankets are better if you don't have those products or if you're changing equipment often. That way you don't have to let us know every time you change a piece of equipment.
Thank you, Tanya.